Hey Aggies, the Bike Barn is here to help you cruise into the new year. We have everything you need to ride smoothly at Davis. Just like you, our student mechanics have ridden this path before, and we want to help you get a head start.
Locks, grips, lights, baskets, and more. The Bike Barn has everything you need to help you customize, ride, and enjoy your bike safely. Whether you're looking for a repair, an accessory install, or just general biking tips, we're here to help you out. Best of all, if it's a small enough repair, we can sometimes do it for free.
Daily biking can be enjoyable for everyone, and the Bike Barn mechanics are here to help you become a successful rider. Come stop by the Bike Barn and ask us any and all of your bike-related questions. See you soon.